Okay, let me make sure I got this going right here. Hold on here. I got the screen capture software going. And there you go. All right, come on back and just for reference there, what are you talking on? What antenna that is? Explain that.
Okay, I'm talking on a 10-11 meter delta loop up at 50 feet.
Okay, yeah, you sent me a picture of that. It looked pretty cool, man. Yeah, I got to get down there soon to your shack. I want to see what's going on in person. Sometimes pictures don't do it justice, but it was a pretty impressive picture there. You got a lot going on there.
Yeah, I figured just throw it up real quick to see how it's going to work, and that's what we're doing right now.
Okay, nice, man. Yep, I can hear you. Being's pretty quiet, and yeah, right on the ground plane. You said that's pretty much like horizontal and vertical kind of combination between the two, right?
Well, I'm thinking being erected vertical, it might be more vertical and horizontal, but it'd be interesting if you would go to the beam just to see.
Let's see here. I am pointed. Give me a second here. Yeah, hold on. Let me. I don't have a switch on that. Give me a second. I want to screw the coax from my dual line and switch over to the beam. Stand by. Wow, I haven't been into the beam in a long time. You still have a copy on me?
Oh, yeah. Big difference. You jumped up a lot from S6 to 5 over, so this thing must be playing also on the horizontal side.
Oh, my God, big time. Now you're like 15 over. Okay, yeah, it favors horizontal. Holy smokes. Yeah. It's doing its thing, definitely. Yeah, I got a really good copy on you now.
It's amazing how that works, isn't it?
Yeah, that's pretty cool. But yeah, cool. So, okay, one more time. You're transmitting 5KC. Let me check my. I'm gonna go to expand here. Yes, I'm receiving. Yep, 50 low, 5,000. Wait, no, I'm transmitting 50 low, 5,000, and yeah, I'm receiving 5,100 for the low. Well, actually, high and then 40 on the low. So I got your full transmit there.
Yeah, I switched mine to 50 low, of course 5K high, but there you have it. Just testing everything here, just making sure the antenna's looking good. I'm keeping an eye on my SWR, and my SWR looks good.
Oh, awesome, man. Yay, you finally got the 11 meter going. I tell you what, let's have a little fun here. Let's bump up to 10KC. So I'm going to take that 5,000, I'm going to backspace and click make that 10KC, do the same one here, how you sound, or if you want to hear how you sound 10KC, let's do that.
All right, I don't know if I'm set up for 10K, but it looks good. It looks like I'm carrying myself out there pretty well at 10K. All right, even though I'm open up at 10K wide, you still look a little short of it. Don't look like you're transmitting 10K wide.
Okay, there we go. Sorry, didn't have my receive filter. Yeah, like I said in my cake, hold on, you can see it here. I'll put up on the screen, my cakewalk. I'm not, really set up for the 10K. But, yeah, just so you can hear it. But, hold on, where am I here? On this EQ. You'll see on the screen here, I'm rolling off pretty rapidly after, I don't know, like 7 or so. Sharp spike right around 33, 56. And then after that, I have it rolling off sharply there. But, anyhow, yeah, it looks looking good. I know, like I said, I know you guys are used to talking 4KC, so there's a little bit of treat. Get to hear yourself a 10KC.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, plus I get to hear this new microphone that I switched to, so we'll see how that's working out as well.
Oh, yeah. That's crazy. I'm used to hearing you at 4K, but it is pretty cool. I know, you're not like completely set up for 10KC. But, yeah, it still sounds really, really good. Yeah, you'll get a kick out of this.
I'm glad the antenna's working, without an antenna tuner. 1.5, that's not too bad. And plus, I can go all the way up the band with no problem as well.
Okay, nice. Yeah, I'm trying to get the I'll call it the 11:10 club. It's Sunday nights. Being Mike get on here. I'm going to make it kind of like a little event. 11 meters at 10 kc, and then I'm trying to get Steve. I got that to Hermes Lake 2+ already for him. I'm trying to get him into this, so we'll have another person here 10 kc. Make it like an hour long. 10 kc Ragchu, the 11:10 club. So yeah, now you can get on there too.
There you go. Okay, I'm going to shrink this back down to 5 and go from there.
Okay, when you're hearing this, you're going to say, damn, why don't we go back down to 5? Oh, well. So we're still only taking up one CB channel on 27.3, 300. But okay, I'll take it back down to 5 kc. Stand by.
Well, not only that, I get to hear it both ways. That's the other little experiment. I get to hear it at 10K, then I get to hear it at 5, even though I set up the profile for 5. And but it looks like it was working pretty good at 10.
Yes. Yeah. Well, you'll be the judge. Ultimately, you got to be the one who likes how you sound out there. Like I said, it's so rare. Talk 10 kc. So, like, I don't know. You could go through the trouble and really get tuned in. But yeah, it sounded good. Okay, so I drop it down to 4K, 4kc, and then you can hear how it sounds there. Here, hold on, give me a second here. Let me get this set up here. I'll go to 4kc too.
All right, I have mine set at 4K where I normally run, and it looks pretty solid right there, 4K wide.
Okay, all right, yep, still sounding good. Obviously sounds better at 5, even better at 10, but still sounding very good at 4K. It's pretty cool. You can hear yourself on everything. Still a great signal.
Yeah, what I like about this microphone, I can be back, right now 6-7 inches, and it still picks up really nice.
Okay. Give me 1 second here. Oh, well, actually, I've been screwing up so many profile stuff. I'm going to turn my de-essers off. Let me see if you can hear the difference here. Okay, I'm going to, they're on right now. It's highly experimental. I'm going to turn the de-essers off. All right, this with the de-essers off. If you can hear any kind of difference right there. Test, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sounds a little harsh on my end without the de-essers. Let's see if you can, I can hear it in there too much. Let's see if you can hear it on your end.
I really can't pick it up on this end. You must have the earphones on where you can hear it really good, but I'm not really hearing it here.
Okay, all right. On my end, yes, I definitely need them. Need the de-essers on. It gets a little bit too shrill, but highly experimental. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, so those guys are up on 3,999. What were you going to try up there?
This new loop that I put up today. It's 550 to 560 foot loop.
Okay, right on. Okay, I know you're itching to get up there. I'll let you go, but maybe I'm in the middle of burning stuff outside. I got that campfire going. I'm still clamping the yard. I might get the screen capture software going so you can see I'll send you a private video so you can see the signal report. I know you're used to seeing yourself on my recordings on 80 meter. So you can judge how that antenna does. But I'll let you go back up there a bit. All right, man, it's been a treat. And here, real quick, go back to 5kc.
All right, there you have it, 5K wide right there. And we're seeing how this works right there. Testing 1, 2, 3.
Okay, yeah. 4Ks, nothing wrong with that. But you're gonna hear. At least for me, I can hear a huge difference. It sounds so much better at 5K. But all right, I just want to end this at 5kc, so you can enjoy it because it sounds really good.
Good. Can't wait to hear.
All right, man, let's just get up there. I'll end this with my big THX screen on here, no grid display, and then go ahead and close it out. And then I'll get this, edited up and post it up on YouTube for your listening enjoyment. All right, there, 392. All right, catch you later. KP68 on Free and Clear.
All right, KP68, thanks a lot, and we'll catch you later on.